this better work. Yes! Yes! Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of upgrading my server PC. In today's video we're going to be salvaging some parts from the old server and transplanting into the new one. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be taking out, well one of the things we're going to be taking out is the DVD drive. I don't really use it, but I wouldn't mind putting it in just in case, and also I don't have a cover for that, so yeah. So I think all we need to do is unscrew that and then move that into the unlock position. That's pretty easy. A great way to do it. I have a feeling that it cannot go out this way, and that it's going to have to go out this way. Okay guys, so as you can see, I finished bringing across all the parts from the old server computer and putting it in here. First thing you might notice is I've got a different case. I had to change the case because this graphics card wouldn't fit in the other one, and I didn't want to use the hacksaw or anything to cut a bit of that away, because that's kind of a pain. So mainly the things that I've added are the graphics card, the Blu-ray DVD drive, and some fans as well. Now I wasn't able to actually get all of this on camera because my camera battery died, but now that this is all assembled here like this, I know I've already tested to see if everything kind of turns on and stays on, but I haven't tested whether it displays anything, so that's what I'm going to go do now. And yeah, let's hope that this actually works.
2,000 years later.
So bad news guys, I can't seem to get it to display any video. It seems that for some reason it just will not display to any monitors or anything like that. Everything turns on and stays on, but it's just not outputting any video. So what I'm going to try now is I'm going to try a different graphics card, and also possibly some different RAM, and changing around the RAM slot as well. Okay, so I have got it working now. Turns out that the RAM stick that I was using seemed to be faulty. So what I've actually done is I've just taken one of the RAM sticks out of my desktop computer and I've put it in here, and now that's posting perfectly fine, displaying videos, nothing wrong with the graphics card or anything, so that's really good. Next thing that I would normally have to do is install Windows, but what I've actually done is, because I took the hard drive from the old server, I've just left it how it is. I haven't formatted it or anything, and it boots into Windows and loads everything perfectly fine. Now this won't always happen. There's a good chance that if you do this with other hardware, because it's different motherboards, different CPU architecture and stuff, that it will not actually work. But I was lucky this time, this seems to be working. So what my plan is, I'm going to actually go and plug this in. I'll put the side panel on and close it up, and then just leave this. I'm not going to have it actually connected to a monitor, because what I do is I have TeamViewer open, so when I need to do maintenance and stuff on the computer, then I can connect over TeamViewer on my desktop, and then I'm able to do it from there. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.